Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, it's been a while. I haven't done a video. I did a couple of videos today, so yeah. So today I'm just going to be using these bathroom pieces that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I will be glamming that up using this rhinestone trim that I got. This is a new product and I really love it. I'm using these spoons that I got as well, and I cut off the edges, like the long parts of it. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. You need these beautiful bowls, which I just got from the Dollar Tree today, and these are new products. I absolutely love it, and I bought a whole bunch of it because I have never seen them at the Dollar Tree. And glue sticks or E6000, whatever glue that you like. And this glass, I bought a frame and I took the glass off, so I will be using this glass as well. First thing I'm going to do is just stick these beautiful silver bowls onto the bottom of the glass. And this is going to act as my stand for my beautiful tray that you could use in your bathroom, on your table, on your nightstand, wherever you feel like. Again, you can use E6000 along with the glue sticks. So just use whatever glue that makes you happy. So anyway, guys, for my giveaway, I will be choosing any random person from my comment section. So don't forget to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video, you guys. So, yeah. Bye, guys.